Code-genie, artificial intelligence theory of mind. This term is borrowed from the field of psychology. It describes the understanding that people and other creatures have thoughts and emotions that could affect or influence their behavior. This phrase in AI ultimately points to the advanced ability of machines to get more sophisticated. At this level, machines could be able to understand beliefs and emotions. They can also interact socially at a human level. The fictional character, Sherlock Holmes, demonstrates this ability where he can infer and reason about the intention of others based on analyzing people's behavior, their facial expression, body language, subtle cues to understand their motives and mental states. Fictional character Professor Charles Xavier, X-Men, also known as Professor X's telepathic abilities allows him to perceive the thoughts, intentions, and emotions of others is also an example of theory of mind. This level of AI is seen as the dividing point between the machines that already exist and the ones that will be designed in the future. From human perspectives, interactions are only possible because human beings can understand each other's intentions, their environment, and level of knowledge. Without such levels of human-to-human understanding, interactions would be difficult or impossible. Although several machines today have exhibited a relatively high level of simulating human abilities, none has fully accomplished human capabilities like fluid conversations and emotional capacity. Reacting, sounding, and behaving humanly while conversing is among the highest benchmarks of AI technology. At this level of AI, machines will have to learn rapid shifts in emotions and behavioral patterns. They will also need to be able to act promptly. Please click the subscribe button below if you enjoyed this video. Visit us at code-genie.ai.